Here are the 3 churchy power chords that every gospel musician must know. And if you don't know these chords, you're making things a lot harder than they need to be. All right, so today we're in the key of E flat. E flat major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. All right, so let's go. The first chord, if we're in E flat, these chords are centered on the 1. They're centered on the 1. So when I say the 1, I mean E flat because we're in the key of E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So 1. First chord is going to be C sharp major 7th. So start with C sharp major chord, add the 7th, and you can even add the 9th if you can stretch that far, and play it on the 1. To give you a little bit of a bonus, so add F, A flat, and C on the right hand if you have a bass player. Okay. The second chord is the F sharp diminished 7th chord. We're still going to play that on the 1. So F sharp, A, C, E flat. And you can double that up on the left hand if you have a bass player. And last but not least, 1. So G, B flat, and E flat. And you can even play the G tritone on the left hand if you have a bass player. All right, so stick with this video to the very end, and I'm going to show you how to actually play these chords. So these chords are used first when you have a high praise moment. So they have a high praise moment. They're on stage. They have a mic in their hand. The whole congregation is going crazy. The energy is crazy. Everything's just, the energy is really high. So we're here. All right, so secondly, we use this in praise breaks. And thirdly, last but not least, we use these when the preacher is in full tune, when he or she is hooping. On the 1, just stand on the 1 for right now. All right, so here's how we actually learn these chords. And let me give you a little bonus. You can take this C sharp major 7th chord or 9th, and you can resolve it and take that 5th and bring it down to the 5. Bring the 5 down a half step. So A flat down to G. All right. So you can use this in high praise moments when the preacher is hooping, and last but not least, doing praise breaks. If you want my full system, if you want to learn how to play these chords in every single key, just like I taught you today, you want to play these chords in every single key, click the link down in the first comment or my description where it says Gospel Piano Made Simple. It's a $1 7-day trial, and after that, it's only $10 a month. See you next week.